Hi everyone, so this is a quick video just to show you the pond and what it's looking like now. I built it in 2011 and it's starting to show a few sort of signs of wear now, so I want to kind of upgrade it, and this video is just to show you what it's looking like and talk about what I'm going to be doing to, what work I'm going to be doing on it. I'm hopefully going to be taking all the fish out into a temporary pond, and then I might sort of put a I'm definitely going to be doing fiberglassing on the inside of the pond. I might put a window in the front, not too sure yet. I'm going to replace all the coping stones around the edge and put a better sort of capping on this the back part of the pond there. So this is showing the trickle filter that I built last year. Just doing a bit of an adjustment here to it, putting a moving bed into the bottom sort of chamber, if you like. The water was getting quite stagnant in that bottom box there, although it was flowing back to the pond, looking quite clean. There was some kind of black gungy type water and stuff sitting deep in the bottom of that bucket there, so hopefully this moving bed will solve that. This is just before I put it back together. I just cleaned all the media. That's alpha grog there on the left. Not quite sure what that one is there, but yeah, this is me putting the couple of air stones in, but they didn't quite work as intended. Needs some more K1 in there as well. So I bought one of these air stones here, the sort of a ring type, and some more media. And yeah, it's looking a little bit better now, so hopefully that does a better job. Hopefully use this on the temporary pond once it's had time to establish its itself. So I'll take that out and move all the fish, and yeah, so this is just showing the top of the pond and where the water's coming in. I can control the flow on that handle there, and that's the pipe work going back to the pump house. This will all get hidden away once I put some coping stones and boxing around the top of that, so it'll be nicely hidden away. That's the flow back into the pond. Yeah, the fish enjoying it there. The water quality is quite good actually, even before that trickle box, so hopefully should be quite good once it's all been done. This is the old bead filter here. Developed a couple of splits in the top, but yeah, I might use this on the temporary pond while I sort things out. It's still in working order. Into the pump house, UV on the left there. The new K1 micro bead filter here, doing a great job. Really impressed with that. So easy to clean. That's the air agitator or whatever you call it, just to every time you clean it. The ultra sieve, love that. That's really easy to keep clean. Haven't had too much time lately to keep on top of things, but yeah, it's not too bad. This is the pipe work coming from the bottom drain there into the sieve, and the smaller pipe there comes from a skimmer I have. So I have two pumps in the pump house. The 18,000 there, which feed in the micro bead filter, and then there's a 15,000 pump a bit further along here, which feeds the trickle tower and the waterfall coming back into the pond, and also a couple of kind of sidewall inlets that I've got on either side. There's the first, and the air filter there just shown on the shelf. I think it's a Evolution Aqua 70, I believe, can't remember now, but yeah, just want to clean the whole room up and maybe put some insulation and just get things a bit tidier. But yeah, if you liked the video and you want to see more of these, as I say, a lot of work coming up, a lot of things I'll be doing, so yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.